In last video, we have studied about the meaning, level, basis of market segmentation. In today, we will continue our rest of base of market segmentation and effective market segmentation criteria. So, last video we have studied about demographic and next that is geographical. And today we will study about psychographic basis. In psychographic segmentation, the market is divided into different groups on the basis of psychographic characteristics of the buyers like social class, lifestyle, uh, perception, learning, attitude, personality. Psychographical characteristics refers to inner or intrinsic qualities of individual consumer based on the lifestyle, what the person like, what the learning attitude, what is the attitude of the person, what is the social class. These type of behavior can are studied in under psychographic basis. The consumer with the same geographical and demographic can exhibit quite different psychographic profile. It same there can be same geographical and demographic group, but it differs and the exhibit may quite differ. The psychographic profile may be differ from the previous basis. So here, psychographic segmentation mainly involves following basis, that is social class. Here the social class does not mean the income based social class only. It is implied that the relative status in the community, the consumer in the different social classes varies in terms of values, product preference, buying habit. The concept of social classes implies hierarchy in different individual occupies different status. Example, the high class, middle class, how the middle class people prefer the goods, what is the how the high class people prefer. When it comes to automobiles, when we high class are, they go for Mercedes, BMW. When we come to middle class, they prefer the car they prefer, that is mostly we will prefer for Maruti or Tata or Hyundai, these kind of product. And later on in lower classes, they prefer two-wheel vehicles. These kind of segmentations are done. Even in the same company, the Honda company, when we say, even they have most high-level product also, even for the middle class, and even two-wheelers, Honda, that is Hyundai, Honda cars also there, then Honda cities. Then in the two-wheeler, it's also in lower class and other classes. So the market, the company sees about every class and make a product so that the consumer can afford that product. However, many consumers have considered this space as a demographic segmentation, but it is called as psychographic implication. So, lifestyle. Next, it is lifestyle. Lifestyle is a total pattern of life. It can be defined as one's own way of living. It reflects in terms of interest, association, use of product, and way of influencing others. People purchase those products which reflect their lifestyle. What the lifestyle, how they live when it comes to as a professor. I will purchase this type of product or need this type of things that's so perfect for me. This type of car, automobiles, this kind of cell that which is useful for me. These kind of things which I will prefer. And as a students, you will prefer different kind the bag styles. The mostly your college coming back, the bags which I prefer is completely different when compared to your bags. This kind of a difference there is there. And car, motorbike, cell phone, magazines, cigarettes, wine, cosmetic, clothing, etc. This type of lifestyle different. Some have good lifestyle, some have bad lifestyle, healthy lifestyle, this kind of thing. Then products are marketed on lifestyle basis. Marketers try to suit his product with the life cycle of product. Whenever the marketer thinks it should bring up such a product that should suit the lifestyle of the consumer, that is also called as psychographic segmentation. Personality and lifestyle goes hand in hand. Whatever lifestyle and personality mostly go in hand in hand. The consumer buys those products that suits their personality. Personality is distinctive way of influence other. Personality is determined by certain physical and mental characteristics. However, the mental character or psychological characters are more relevant for market segmentation. Personality characters such as self-confidence, introvert, the person who speak less, introverts is the extrovert who speak, firmness, individual, balance, social ability, impressive, willpower, talent, many other such characteristics affect the product needs. And so this segmentation is mostly used for segmentation of clothes there, how the people prefer about their personality. Some they prefer plain, some they prefer very dark or bright colors. Then cars also, I had told you before only how the cars they have different shade. Then bikes, more you may know much more than me about bikes. And house, glasses, this kind of thing. Buying motive. Buying motive is referred to the purpose of buying the product, what the consumer expected from the product. It is matter of interest of a marketer. People hold different motives for different products. They buy those products that match with their expectation. Whenever we buy certain product, we have certain expectation. When we go and buy a particular, I think now buy okay refrigerator, we go and purchase, we have certain expectation from that product that we can work good, it will work with the product. We can put many things in there. It have large space or many things. It should from outside it should look good and suit our kitchen interior. This kind of things. When we go and buy product, we think of people have all the consumer. Whenever we go and buy clothes, then me in general, whichever clothes we will wear, that should look good on us. That is the buying motive. Buying motive may be durable, reliability, taste, safety, ease of performance, service, prestige, status, and likewise. They can have other reliability. It should be more time, reliable, tasty, safety for the person. It should be good. It should be have certain state. When I wear this and go, the people should look at me, prestige, then attractive, these kind of things there. Buying motive have different motives. When we buy, consumer buy, they have different motive about the product. The market can be divided on the basis of these motives. This segmentation is applicable in automobiles, furniture, electronic products, travels, gold, jewelry, hotel, charitable activity, etc. Buying motives, certain that I had told you, automobiles, that is car, furniture types of that should look more stylish and all these kind of thing. Electronic products, travels, goods, and gold and jewelry, that certain types of gold jewelry, certain types of designs. Psychographic segmentation is more confusing as view of various writers seem it is inconstant, but it is clear that personality, values, and perception, attitude, motivation, etc. have tremendous effect on consumer buying decision. We have discussed only the limited psychological basis. This is only limited to behavior or product oriented base. Behavior or product oriented base, such as segment is also called as consumer response segmentation. Consumer response segmentation here. Consumer response behavior segmentation or product characteristics based market segmentation. Clearly that market is divided based on the product characteristics or consumer response to the products. Consumer response differently due varied product characteristics. In former basis, we have considered consumer characteristics. Here we will consider product. First, we have considered about the consumer base, about what the consumer behavior, how the consumer develops. But now we will see the product characteristics of base of marketing segmentation. Then first one, it is occasions. Many products are purchased and or used occasionally. Here, therefore, a wise marketer associates the use of products with the particular occasion. The occasion creates demand, clothing, furniture, firecrackers, electric appliances, gold, greeting cards, gift varieties, etc. The product expense are more demand during Diwali. Example, when we come see it now, the Diwali festival is there. Then clothes purchase, furnitures, then firecrackers, electric appliances are more demanded. So according to the even the shops also provide discount offers, sale in these type of festivals. Now it is almost in all online shopping they have provide every for even in 15 days every time for Independence Day, Ganesh Chaturthi, then Dasara offers. Every time they have offers for around 7 to 9 days about every time. Navratri offers this kind of. As per the occasion, they create such a demand or attract the customer. Even the price are same, but the advertising is such a vast that we or consumer attract towards the product. So occasion creates a demand for the product. So here the tour travels company organize special tours during vacations, even vacation times also in April, May or they time the tours and offers on travels also they have discount or package offers, family package, this kind of package offers. So the company finds an opportunity to segment the market on the basis of occasion. This is the reason why the most of the companies introduce new models and varieties among with the special offers during various occasions. Special offers are brought. Diwali special offers, Dasara, Navratri. Last we have passed about Navratri special offers. These kind of offers are brought according to the occasion. Then whether it is needed or not needed, the advertisement is such a they had promotion made as such a vast celebrities comes and made and consumer are like us we get attracted towards the product. So this is how the occasion create a market segmentation. Next, occasion may be regular, um, that is birthdays, maybe a special one, achievement party, this kind of thing. And even in see festivals that is Diwali, Janmashtami, there are special needs for the products for the there are some certain even birthday meals or marriage the cakes are demanded, the decoration things are demanded, so the occasion creates a special demand. There can be various occasions such as festivals, election, birthdays, marriage anniversaries, death, illness, achievement, examination results, say change in employment, acquisition of her, or similar many occasions. Company segment the various. Same nowadays, everything can be done. The company itself, the products are done. So even the most of the time event management, that is birthday parties or marriage functions, even the death is not celebrated, they have arranged the things or the party events or events they arrange the things, even the things or even we have a small parties there also the event manager comes and manage the thing. So the occasion there's small thing they create a much demand. So with this, we will end our today's. That is last one. It is product oriented and behavior occasions. So next video we will start about complete about the product oriented. With this, we will end our today's video. Thank you.